Tonight, hopes for a vaccine brighten, with drug maker Astrazeneca announcing just this week that its COVID-19 vaccine is highly effective. It becomes the third major drug company this month to report successful late-stage data in testing. But as the world waits for a vaccine, we take a closer look at some of the concerns Catholics might have. Correspondent Mark Irons reports. Mark?
Eric, let's start with the Astrazeneca vaccine after this week's announcement. It showed a 70% efficacy rate. It can be stored at warmer temperatures and would be cheaper than the Pfizer and Moderna vaccines. But the National Catholic Bioethics Center says it was developed using aborted fetal cell lines, making it the least ethical option.
The AstraZeneca Oxford University vaccine has been developed the entire process. So the conception of the vaccine, the development of the vaccine, and also the testing of the vaccine have all involved abortion-derived cell lines. So in terms of Catholic moral perspective, that's the worst way that a vaccine can be developed.
Dr. Joseph Meaney, president of the National Catholic Bioethics Center, says fortunately the other vaccines reporting high success rates, Pfizer and Moderna, have not involved abortion-derived cell lines in the development or production phases, but only indirectly in the final testing phase.
If a completely ethical vaccine exists, I would say that there's a moral obligation to go that direction. But if there isn't any option, then I think you should really go for the most ethical option, right? If there's one that's produced actually in the aborted fetal cell lines, as opposed to one where it's only tested using those cell lines, it's better to use the one that was tested.
Dr. Meaney also says Catholics need to use their conscience to make vaccine decisions based on their own vulnerability, health needs, and what is available to them. And with coronavirus cases rising around the country right now as we head into the Thanksgiving holiday, the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, along with state and local authorities, are asking people not to travel and urge them to keep their Thanksgiving celebrations small. Eric?
It's a sign of the times. Thank you very much. Mark Irons reporting tonight.